Hey, it's me again. So I had to leave during the break because I needed to charge my phone real quick. It's good that I have a new phone now that charges fast. So yeah, by the way, this is my look, my conference summit look. On Wednesdays we wear pink. It was an experience. I learned a few things. My mom had a presentation just a while ago, and then she moderated the panel talk. I was trying to keep myself awake, but now I had coffee, so I think that's gonna be easier. That's over there. Oh no, that's over there. So I don't think I've done a proper tour of the hotel room, but now that I'm alone, let's do that. For quality content. So this is the entranceway, a door, and then we have this mirror here, just so that we can make sure that, see, very useful, that we look decent. And then over here is the bed, and a desk, and the TV that we never used, and over here is the bathroom, of which y'all have been well acquainted with since yesterday. They drained the bathtub. How? I had an issue yesterday with the bathtub because I used it and then I didn't know how to drain it. So now I guess the people who came in just removed the thing. I don't know how, but now it's drained. And there's a private stall thing for the toilet, quality content, and this mirror thing is also our closet. Okay, and that's pretty much it. It's a very nice room for when you're staying. Gosh, at least it's up here. For when you're staying not too long. I bet it's pretty expensive because of its location and this. I'm not sure if we were sponsored because we were attending the summit here. Anyway, I'm just gonna, what time is it? I gotta get back soon. And we're back. And by back, I mean back here in the bathroom. So after the thing ended, we went around the mall and bought some yogurt. We don't do that really, but we did. A lot of people thought we were Malaysian, which is unsurprising because we look so Southeast Asian. It's no problem, sort of. I just have to tell the people every time that we don't speak Malay. So that's that. I would expect more of that in the coming days. The weather just got really bad, so we were supposed to go swimming after the thing, but now we can't swim anymore because it's stormy, really stormy. The river level rose up visibly, and there's thunder and lightning outside, so if we went into the pool we'd be still. Which is not the thing that we are striving for. So we're just gonna stay in the hotel, which is the problem. I'd rather, really. So yeah, we're gonna have dinner of fruits and yogurt and then do whatever. So my mom took out a yellow blouse to wear for tomorrow, and I was like, you know what? I should wear yellow too. So, outro. I don't think I did my outro yesterday, so I'll do it today. Thank you for staying with them. Subscribe. Oh no, you're supposed to say like this video first for more of my, and then I say subscribe for more of my